Welcome to A to Z Math channel. Today I'm going to show you how to multiply decimals using a simple step-by-step method that always works. Let's start with the first example, 0.27 multiplied by 3.62. To multiply these two decimals, the first step, forget about the decimal point. Then the first step, write them here vertically without the decimal point. 27 multiplied by 362. We will multiply them without the decimal point. Okay, how about the decimal points? We will place it at the end. When we have the final product, we will place it. But now, multiply them as whole numbers. 362 multiplied by 27. Start to multiply as usual by starting multiplying 7 by the 3 digits of the other factor. Multiply 7 by 2, by 6, by 3. 7 times 2, 14. There is 1 here. Don't write this 1 here. Where we have to write it? You have to regroup this one. Then we have to go to the next digit and write the one which is the 10th digit over it. 7 times 6, 42, plus the one that regrouped equal 43. Then we write 4 here, 3 in my answer. 7 times 3, 21, plus 4, 25. The next step, we will multiply 2 as we did with 7, with the same steps. We will multiply 2 by 6, by 2, by 6, by 3. But if you want to multiply 2, you have to do something first. Don't forget that step. What? You have to annex 0 to the right side of your product, of the second part of your product, and then start to multiply as usual. Why? Because we are multiplying the 10th digit. The 10th digit means we have to put 0. 7 was 1st digit, that's why we didn't put any 0 here. But here we are multiplying the 10th digit, don't forget to add 0. Means if there is one more digit here, which is the 100th digit, we have to annex 2 zeros because it's hundreds. Now we have only 2 digits. This is the last digit we will multiply, which is 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 6, 12. Then we have to put 2 in my product and the 1 will be regrouped. I'll put it here instead of 4. 2 times 3, 6 plus 1, 7. Now we will do the last step. You can see that here I'm lining up the digits with this, digits with the same place value. Here, the ones over each other, tens, hundreds, thousands. Why we are doing that? To get the final product easily and correct. If you are lining up them, it's easier to add and find the final product. 4 plus 0, start to add from the right side. Don't add from here. You have to start to add from the right side, from the least place value, which is the ones here. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Now, the final product is 9,774. But this is not the final product because you have to place the decimal point. Don't forget that we are multiplying decimals. How can I place the decimal point? You need to check how many digits you have after the decimal point in every product. Here we have 2 digits and here we have 2 digits. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Then the decimal point has to be after 4 digits. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. Count them all together. Add the number of digits together in both factors. We have 2 digits here after the decimal point, 2 digits here after the decimal point. Then the decimal point in the product has to be after 2 plus 2, 4 digits. Start to count the digits from the right. Don't count from 9. You have to count them from the right side, from 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then put your decimal point. I can see that the left side of the decimal point is blank. There is no any number here, means 0. No number means 0. Let's go to the next example. We are multiplying 5.84 by 2.5. We are multiplying, as we said, 584 by 25. In this problem, we are multiplying decimals, but we said before, multiplying decimals, don't forget to write them here vertically without the decimal point. Okay, then start to multiply as we said in the previous example. Start to multiply 5 by 4 by 8 by 5. 5 times 4, 20, then 2, regrouped 0 in my product. 5 times 8 equals 40 plus 2, 42. 5 times 5, 25 plus 4, 29. Now, don't forget the 0 that we said before. We have to annex 0 to the right side of your product and start to multiply 2 by the same way you multiplying 5. 2 times 4 times 8 times 5. Let's multiply. 2 times 4, 8. There is no any regrouped digit, just 8, a single product. 2 times 8, 16. We have 2 digits, 6 in my answer, and the 1 will be regrouped over that 4. I don't need 4 now, then I cross it and put the 1 that I need. 2 times 5, 10, plus 1, 11. Now, let's add. From the right side, we are adding, equals 0. 2 plus 8, 10. Regroup 1 plus 9, 10 plus 6, 16. 1 plus 2 plus 1. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4. And there is no any digit to add with this last digit 1. Then drop it down in your answer. Then the answer is 14,600. Stop. We didn't finish. We have to place the decimal point after how many digits? Go back to the factors. There is 2 digits after the decimal point here at the right side of the decimal point and 1 digit here. 2 plus 1, 3. Then the decimal point has to be after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Then the decimal point has to be here. One of the most important points here, you need to know that there are 2 zeros at the right side of the decimal part, which is at the right side of the decimal point. We can skip these zeros, we can remove them. Then the final answer here is 14.6, because these numbers, there is no value for them. I can remove them. And the final answer is 14.6, not 14,600, because we can remove these 2 zeros because there is no value for them. Then the final answer is 14.6. Okay. Next example, we have here more digits in these 2 factors. You can see here in that factor, we have 4 digits, and that factor consists of 3 digits. We will use the same way. We will write them vertically, but one of the most important points here, you need to remember that start here with the factor that has more digits. You can see here that factor consists of 4 digits, and that factor consists of 3 digits. Start with this one, which has 4 digits, which is already at the beginning here. 5,267 multiplied by 902. Okay, how about the decimal point? As we said, forget about it now. Let's multiply as usual. Start with 2. 2 multiply 7. Yes, 14. 4, which is the 1st digit in my answer, and the 1 regrouped. 2 multiply by 6. 12 plus 1, 13. Regroup 1. 2 multiply by 2. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 multiply by 5 equals 10. Now put 0 in your answer. Don't forget to annex that 0 at the right side of the second part of your product because you need to multiply the tens digit. Mister, we are multiplying 0. 0 multiplied by any factor or any digit will be equal 0. I prefer to write the product which is consist of all that consist of zeros. Why? Because you will not get any confusion when you want to multiply 9 and the number of zeros that you have to annex at the beginning. Then you will not get any mistake if you multiply every single step in your product, in your factors. Okay, then multiply 0 by 7, by 6, by 2, by 5. I need to put here 4 zeros because when we multiply 0 by any number of digits will give me the same. It will give me 0. Then now let's go to 9, which is the third digit, or I will multiply. That means I have to annex 2 zeros in my product, not only 1 0. Now we need to multiply 9 by 7, by 6, by 2, by 5. 9 times 7 equals, yes, 9 times 7 equals 63. Skip that one, 63. 9 times 6 equals 54 plus 6 equal to 60. 6 here instead of this one and put 0 in your answer. And now 9 times 2, 18 plus 6, 24. 9 times 5 finally equals 45 plus 2, 47. As we said, the final step, we will add 4 plus 0 equals 4. 3 plus 0 plus 0 equals 3. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 0, 5, 7, 4. This is my final answer. 4, 7, 5, 0, 8, 3, 4. Now we need to place the decimal point. How can we place the decimal point? Let's go back to the factors and count the number of digits we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I counted them all together. Then 5 digits. Start to count from the right side. 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then after this 5, you will put the decimal point. Then the final answer is 47 and 50,834 100,000. Okay, this is the final answer. I can see that here in the second part of my product, I put them all 0. Why? To save myself from any confusion about the number of zeros that I need to annex in the third part of my product. That's why we put these zeros here in the second step. Okay, I have one more example here. I need you all to copy in this example in your notebook and write for me the answer in the comments, please. And if you can show me the steps, I like to see that. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and leave a comment below with any topic you want me to explain next. Thank you and see you in the next video.